Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the dark canvas. Make a frame and set its background to a deep neutral like #121212 so your values read clearly. Next, define color styles for primary, surface, text, and accent. This makes global swaps simple. Once done, enable Figma variables or confirm your styles are centralized in the team file so changes cascade. Make sure to keep typography tokens separate. That prevents type color overrides later and speeds up consistent theming across screens. You now convert UI pieces into components, buttons, inputs, cards, and add at least one variant for states like hover and pressed so you can swap visuals quickly. Map color tokens to your styles, text on surface, surface elevation layers, and interactive press colors. That lets you flip the theme by editing a single token. Once done, use auto layout and consistent padding rules, and constrain icons to a 24px grid, so spacing and alignment remain predictable when colors or sizes change. You finish by duplicating your main flows into a dark variant page and applying token swaps so every component reflects the theme. Prototype the key transitions to confirm overlays and shadows behave. Make sure contrast meets WCAG AA or higher for text and interactive elements. Finally, publish your library or export variables for dev handoff. If styles don't update, clear Figma cache or republish the library. That troubleshooting step fixes most sync issues and gets your dark mode live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.